Welcome to the Seed Grant Workshop. This is the sixth and final video in our workshop series. In the previous videos, we have provided an overview of the seed grants, discussed aligning your project with the seed grant funding goals. We took a deeper dive into the IEPA core competencies. We reviewed project replication and sustainability and went over budget do's and don'ts. In this last video, we'll review the application submission process. A simple, low-barrier application process. Applying for an IEPA seed grant is designed to be straightforward and accessible. Download the application forms in Word or PDF format directly from the IEPA website. The easiest way to find them is to search OU IEPA seed grants in Google. The application is only 6 pages and should be completed in full. Your signatures. The first page requires signatures from the PI and the 2 co-PIs. Electronic signatures are accepted, making the process quick and convenient. And remember, the 3 individuals must represent different professions, not just different specialties within the same profession. What's not required? No CVs, bio sketches, or letters of support are needed with your application submission. However, we strongly recommend securing written commitment from your collaborators before applying. Avoid listing individuals who might participate. Uncertain partnerships can jeopardize your project's success after funding. And additional notes. If your project involves human subjects, we reserve the right to request a copy of your IRB approval letter. This process is intentionally low barrier. Our goal is to make it easy for you to submit a strong proposal without unnecessary paperwork. Focus your time on the quality and feasibility of your idea, not administrative hurdles. Submitting your application. As a reminder, since these are internal, they do not have to get submitted through ORA. Once your application forms are complete, any member of your project team can upload the final document using the online submission form. The form is housed in Qualtrics and designed to be simple and user-friendly. Here's what to expect. The form includes a few basic fields for project information, followed by an upload section and submit button. You may upload either the Word document or PDF version of your application. Both formats are accepted. Important. The submission portal will automatically close at 11:59 on the deadline date. Late submissions cannot be accepted, so please plan ahead. Only 1 complete application should be submitted per team. After submitting your application, you should see an automatic confirmation screen from Qualtrics. This serves as your initial verification that the submission was successful. If you have any questions or simply want to confirm that everything went through, please feel free to reach out to us by email. We're happy to double check your submission, and some teams even choose to email a copy of their application for peace of mind. That's perfectly fine with us. Once the deadline has passed, our review teams will begin evaluating all applications. You can expect to receive a decision by the start of the next semester, giving your team time to plan for next steps. This concludes our final video in the 6-part Wisdom Family Foundation IEPA Seed Grant Workshop series. Thank you for joining us throughout this journey. If you have any remaining questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. We look forward to reviewing your application and supporting your innovative ideas for interprofessional education.